I'm coming. Okay, all right. All right, here we go. Whoa, Bella. What do you say?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Bye. You're not kind of scary to me. I'm so scared.
Were you? Was that scary, Bella?
No, yeah, it was so scary.
A little bit. Okay. I don't think that one's home, baby. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next one then. Oh, there you go. There they are. All right. No worries. Bella, we'll come back later.
Just getting ready to head out.
Hey, it's all right. Thank you. Happy Halloween, guys.
Bye.
They're coming. They're coming. Just hold on. I know it's cold out, huh?
Yeah, it's making me have a fever.
A fever? You mean a runny nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll blow your nose in a minute.
Yeah. When we are done trick or treating.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on. I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Hello.
That's okay. You know what?
Let's try it really quick.
You look very pretty.
And then we go to that one over there.
Okay.
You're so pretty. Thank you. You're welcome.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Bye. Bye. Trick or treat.
Wow, yeah. Nice decorations. You like them?
Yeah.
Okay. Doorbell's over there on the side, Bella. There you go. Just once. Just once. That's good.
I have diamonds in these eyes.
Are they diamonds?
Yeah,
Or are they rubies?
The diamonds.
Oh.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Here you go. Have fun.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Same to you.
Thanks.
Hello?
Okay, ring the doorbell.
Try this one. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Trick or treat, trick or treat.
Nobody home, Bella?
No.
Okay, let's go then. Scary for you? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Ringing the doorbell.
Okay, let's go. I'm not here.
That's it? Okay. Come on.
We went to a cliff.
Yep, there's an extra little step there, huh?
Yeah. We didn't look at it.
So what did you think of those hands?
They're
With it-
fake.
Oh, they're fake?
Let's
Okay.
try the other one if they cleaned it.
No. Okay. All right. Go for it.
Nothing bugs me. Oh, like decorations. Decorations are like scary for me. There's no decorations.
Oh.
Trick or treat!
Hey, come on, son. Put it in. Another one. Come on. All right.
All right.
Skittles, there you go. All right.
What do you say, Bella?
Later.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
All right. Have a good night.
Bye. Good job, Bella. All right.
I love Skittles.
Do you?
Ah, I'm gonna get all the candy and then we have to dump it out. Like,
Oh yeah. Oh, look at these! Look at these pumpkins. They have lights in them.
you meowdy and you meowdy and you meowdy.
Yep. Okay.
I'm not scared of pumpkins
Nope. We're not scared of pumpkins.
because there's no decoration.
Mm-hmm.
We have stuff from Mrs. Squint's house.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. See?
Okay. Yep.
There's-
All right.
We just go there.
Okay.
So we have to go around these,
Uh-huh.
around these traffic laws.
Yeah. Yep. I see it.
Just like ski.
Uh-huh.
They're gonna spray me. Okay. Happy
Trick or treat. Say trick or treat, Bella.
trick or treat.
There you go.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Halloween.
God,
Yeah.
just cut hands.
Okay.
These decorations don't even scare me.
No? Good. All
They're
right.
like fake.
Oh.
Just a little.
Yeah, it is. Just a glow. Go ahead and ring the doorbell, babe.
This house.
There you go. Okay.
Okay, they're not home.
No? All right. They look like they were, though, because they have their lights on, they have pumpkins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And scary webs that you can't go through.
Yeah, scary webs. Okay. Ring the doorbell. You say, what do you say? Trick
Trick
or
or treat.
Hi!
Is that candy? Yeah.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! Bye, guys!
Ring the doorbell.
Trick or treat!
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I did it!
Oh, that was great, baby. Good job. Right up here.
Two
Right.
scary one. Two scary one.
Let's go right up here.
Fine. And then we go to that one.
Yes. Yes.
Because there's one in the
Yep. Okay, ring the doorbell over there. Other side.
Let's try this one.
There you go. They have pretty decorations, don't they? Sit up. There you go.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. I got some treats.
Oh.
You can have like 5. Do you like goldfish?
No.
No?
I
Okay.
don't want goldfish.
No goldfish? Chocolate. Chocolate.
I love chocolate.
Alright, me too.
That's good. All right. What do you say?
Bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Have a good night.
Thanks.